Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Volkswagen Passat 5.5 1.9 TDI. The procedure is similar for Audi A4 and A6 with the 1.9 TDI engine. We can see the serpentine belt here is located on the front of the engine. We can see the second pulley on the bottom there, that's the tensioner that we need to release in order to remove the serpentine belt. First we'll remove the engine cover to get more access to the serpentine belt, and then we can get on with the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt, we need to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise so that it loosens the belt, and then we can remove it. That's the tensioner right there where I'm putting my wrench on, and the wrench is in the bolt. Now I need to turn it anti-clockwise, and it will loosen the belt. And that's the belt out. There's another belt on the bottom that we need to remove. This belt is driving the AC compressor. To remove it, there is two bolts that need to be loosened. They're Allen key size 8. We loosen them, and then the tensioner will loosen the belt. And that's the belt out. Next I'll show you an illustration of the routing of the serpentine belt and the AC compressor belt. And now we can start putting on the new serpentine belt. I've already put it in, now I only need to get it around the pulleys. You can put the belt around all the pulleys except for the alternator pulley. You should leave the alternator pulley for the last one. When you turn the tensioner anti-clockwise and it gets loosened, then you can put on the belt on the tension on the alternator pulley. We'll put the belt around the pulleys on the bottom. Next, we'll put the serpentine belt around the pulleys on the top, leaving the alternator pulley for the last one. And then now we'll get a wrench to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise, which will loosen the belt, and then we can put it on top of the alternator pulley. And that's the serpentine belt on. I'll show you a closer view of the serpentine belt, and that's the tensioner right there where the wrench is. You turn that tensioner anti-clockwise in order to loosen the serpentine belt. Next, we're going to put on the AC compressor belt. When we put on the AC compressor belt, we need to tighten it. That's where you need to put in a wrench to hold it, to tighten the tensioner, and then tighten the bolts. So you put the wrench on and you turn it clockwise in order to tighten as much as possible the tensioner, and then while holding the wrench you can tighten the bolts. After tightening the bolts, that's the serpentine belt replacement done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.